All right, y'all. Today's situation. We about to go roll in the snow. Cause somebody wanna go to the store because they hungry.
No.
Yes, you
We
is.
need some toilet paper.
Yeah. Okay.
We do.
So we finna go roll in the snow and hopefully we don't slide off the road. If we slide off the road, it's because of her because she want to do dumb stuff.
No, it's not because of me.
And then she want to get dressed to go in the snow. Ain't nobody outside.
Big bad supposed to nothing.
See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying?
Okay, y'all.
Watch this. Watch how
Gino and Tasha, we about to take on the snow.
we finna slide. I'm finna
We're not
do
supposed to
donut.
slide, but
I'm finna do
we need to
donut.
go get some toilet paper and oh my gosh. That's a lot of snow over there.
Watch how we go. Watch this. Watch this.
No. Baby, stop playing. Why the hell is you doing that? We need to get to the store. Like for real. Hell no. Okay, y'all. Gino and Tasha is back. We are driving on snow. Snow in Texas. This is February the 15th. No, 16th. 16th.
And it's 14 degrees.
14 degrees outside. Look at that.
She put on a whole outfit
Did sure.
just to come in the snow.
Hey,
No
it's
store
driving.
run, cause people wanna eat food.
We gotta eat, you know what I'm saying? We ain't missing no meals. You see this? All this love going on. Oh, we're going down the hill. Ease up, babe. Ease up. Okay, you got it. Okay, good. I don't know about y'all, but I do not like the cold. Give me a beach and a tequila sunrise. Sex on the beach.
You gonna have sex on the beach?
Baby, be careful. They're breaking.
I said, do you wanna have sex on the beach?
No, I don't want no sand in my booty crack.
You just said you want to sex on the beach.
That's a drink.
I don't want to drink.
Why I look so foggy?
No rule. We just driving in the middle of this bitch.
Cause it ain't no rule to follow. Look at the road. You probably need to get where the tire marks is.
Probably not, cause I see curves and shit covered up with snow. Ain't driving next to no curb. I'm driving directly in the middle of this.
Okay, come on.
That's his time.
Come on, baby.
But
He's sliding. You don't see. You talking about saying what? I'm looking at him sliding. You talking about what?
Slide.
Yes, I am. I saw it.
Wait a minute, he's like.
We back. Woo. Yeah, I say a prayer for us. We want some eggs. And milk and cheese.
You over there being scary.
I need you to drive, sir.
I am
And stop
driving.
looking cool.
Man, I'm not even. I'm going 15.
You need to go 10. Watch that white truck up there.
He way up there.
I know, but if he stop, you can't brake.
He way up there.
You keep saying way up there, and now we next to him. Y'all see this? This is how he irritate me.
Let me get on my side because the police out here now.
Y'all, the police. You don't see this police officer, Vern.
I thought he was about to turn.
What kind of looking you doing?
I did think he
I'm
was
sitting here seeing him fishtail.
because they don't know how to drive. They trying to pull out
Oh,
fast.
Jesus, y'all. I can't hold this camera because my nerves is bad. He need a ride to the store. He look like he about to steal somebody's car. You just keep your eyes on the road, sir. I don't need this mess. Look at him. He's still fishtailing. Gino, stop playing. Dang. It's not time to play. This is serious. Oh. Look at the lovely couple. Now, one of y'all should have stayed in the damn car. And she got some heels on. Girl, go to the house.
You got heels on.
No, I don't have no heels on. They flat. She got some heels. She like, I'm out here there to the damn house. Did you buy enough groceries, ma'am? Ooh, your basket is.
See. What is you doing? Boy, I know you lying. You playing games out here.
They're stuck.
Let me get it.
Why would she try to go up that hill anyway?
Why you trying to push that, huh?
They stuck, y'all. You want one more steak in there? I'll put this one little piece.
About to pop these open. Make some mimosas. I'm making me my little breakfast taco. That good old steak. Them eggs got them green peppers and them onions and some cheese on it. Yes, sir. It got a little tip to it. Little tip.
Okay, guys, we are on February the 16th. Look.
Animal trash.
It went. I don't know. It went to the trash can.
A little raccoon. We ain't got fools out here. What is that?
I don't know. A coyote. This is really crazy. Oh, baby, this is ice chunks. This is the street. Some cars have drove on it. It's just so thick. Wow. This is the street. I'm walking on the street. This is our neighbor's house.